Now we're going to mix all the ingredients together to prepare the dough. I'm going to start with the 3 cups of flour. I'm going to make a little well in the middle. Pour the yeast and pour the sugar on top. And on top of all these, pour the water. Now the salt I'm going to sprinkle around so it won't touch directly the yeast. We're going to add a 1/4 cup of oil. And the 2 eggs, you can either mix them before or you can just add them like that, and they're going to be mixed together while starting with the dough. I'm starting in the middle. You can see it's going to make a little creamy mixture in the middle, and then slowly I'm adding the flour from the edges. A bagel dough is usually a hard dough. It's not a very oily and smooth dough. It's a bread dough, which should be a little bit harder than a pastry dough.